Today we're going to install our Fan-tastic vent fan. And these are the materials that we are gonna use. Double-sided tape. I chose double-sided tape because this is the only one that I got. Some uses putty tape. That's better, but I hope this one works. Measuring tape, pen tape, okay. Marker, a drill, a primer paint, and a glue, and a jigsaw. The most important one, jigsaw, and of course your fan. Ta-da! Okay, what's in the box? The manual, the goggles. No, this is mine. We'll use this one later.
I don't have mine.
Wirings with screws. There are two kinds of screws, one for the roof outside and one for the inside, and the lid cover for the inside, and the unit itself,
The fan.
the Fan-tastic.
Oh no, we're gonna start.
So we place the tapes on the lid, and the purpose for this is to find out where the center is. And then we are going to be putting it on here. This will serve as the template on where we are going to be cutting the hole. Once we figure out the desired position, now it's the time to put a hole or cut a hole or make a hole.
This is it. I see the sky. Okay, just remember this lid has a smaller footprint than the actual fan itself. So as you can see, this one flashes inside the frame. So when you make a hole, you need to make an allowance for at least quarter an inch so that this one will fit inside the hole. Because if you just make a hole for this one will not fit in the hole. Is it clear? So my plan here is to cut outside the line here to have an allowance for the vent to fit in, not inside. So we're going to cut outside the line. Okay, so this is it. Get in. holy hole.
Yeah.
Soon over.
Don't do this at home.
1,
Don't do this at home. It's so terrible.
3, 2, 1. How do you like it?
Good, I'm good. Hey. We're good.
Okay, so what can you say about the installation of our fan, baby?
The installation of the fan was loud and loud to cut the hole.
Yes, it was loud and we need to move another place just to stay away from our neighborhood. Our neighborhood might get annoyed at us,
Might complain.
might complain.
Complain why it's so
we went-
noisy.
So we went to open space near at the mall, and the people were looking at me.
My
Making a hole
dad
out
was
on his car.
up here digging a hole. You see it, that last time we put the lights, that was very beautiful.
Yeah.
And now we get the fan.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yeah.
Also added 2 more of those wood on the side,
Yeah.
both sides
This one.
actually. And after that, we would be,
Going camping.
I guess, buying the mattress or the foam so we
Yes.
could measure how high it's gonna be. And yeah, continue with the plan.
Okay, by the way, tomorrow I'll be putting another layer of a glue around the fan to make it sure that it's watertight. And yes, it's done. Bye-bye. Here's our van. Here's our van. It's done. Almost done. A lot of trash.
Time, clean up time.
A lot of trash inside.